Our experience here has been interesting. I think what was probably more important than the actual storm was our people's resiliency and desire to recover. I think you're going to find that just in 2-3 days, we've cleaned up most of Savusavu. We're looking after those that need the help, and we want to get back to people living again. And so it's really been a good sign of a very resilient, strong community that we have, and I think that's something important, and I think it's something that will show, right? And we're quite proud of that.